Next question is coming in from Sarah. Sarah says, I've been exploring ChatGPT Ace for my affiliate marketing business. However, I'm still not confident using it. What do you recommend for me to do to get the most out of it to create engaging posts for my affiliate sales? Okay, so you're focusing, Sarah, on the affiliate sales. We told Lily the same thing, right? Don't focus on the sale. Really trust the process. Okay, get your mind off the sale part, because if you keep focusing on the sales, you're missing the big component. Can anybody guess? If you guys been fans of the hot seat for so many years, you know what the main focus is, right? It's not the sale. What is it? Put it in the chat. Let's get some engagement here. Rich, take a look at the chat. What is the most important component rather than focusing on the sale as a marketer? What should you be building? Put it in the chat. I'm not going to give the answer. I want to see you guys participate. Think about it. If Sarah is, let's help Sarah out. If Sarah is focusing on the sale and we tell her don't do that, she needs to be focusing on this one thing. And what is that? Colleen says helping others. Good try. I like that. Providing value. Colleen, you're really, really getting there. Wow. Helping others, providing value. I love these answers. Email list. Deb Smith says the email list. Okay. So here's the thing. You guys are like dancing around what Sarah needs to be focusing on. Okay.
I have the answer.
Building the relationship. Okay.
But what is that though?
Gotta build the relationship. Okay.
Right, but what is that?
It's
what do we
not
always...
a technical thing. This is not a technical thing I'm talking about here. You guys are talking about email list building, things like, we know about that aspect. But what we're talking about here is she wants to use ChatGPT to do something. ChatGPT is nothing than an AI. Okay. It is artificial intelligence. It's a program and it can do many, many things, but she has the control. And she needs to focus not on the sale, but she has to focus on building the relationship. So what does she need to do that ChatGPT can help her with to build the relationship? Right?
I have the answer.
Well, speak it then.
Focus on the results.
Focusing on the results.
Yep. I put it right there in the chat.
Here you go. Okay.
Because the result, once you get a result, it leads to another result. And another one, then another one. Then
you don't focus on the sale. You focus on the relationship, but you also focus on the results, okay? Because you need to get the attention. You need to get, these are the results. You need to get the attention, get those eyeballs on that website, right? Or looking at your content. And what does it become? The eyeball, the viewer, becomes what is known as a lead. When they go to the page and they enter their email address, they become a lead. They become a subscriber. And where does that email go? To the autoresponder, right? That's the process. So it goes into the autoresponder. Now Sarah will be excited because she just generated her first lead. Everybody following?
Results.
Okay. Yep. And that's the result, right? And then as Sarah is with this lead, she is using her content marketing skills to build the relationship with the lead on the list. I'm breaking it down ABC for you guys. Okay. So once that is going, this builds the know, like, and trust with Sarah's lead. And therefore what happens? They will want to click on her call to action link, right? So if they're going to click on her call to action link, it's going to take them to what? The offer. Are you following along now? You see how that process maps out?
Yeah, we focus on the results to get the results that we're looking for. And just because we got to the end result of clicking on a link and looking at the offer doesn't mean they're going to buy right away.
Exactly.
Right? It's a process, and they actually it's about seven. Hold on, it's about 7 times that it takes for someone to really buy your offer. They have to see it. They have to see it 7 times.
And if, yes, speaking of the 7, but at the same time, if that was the case, every lead that you generated, you would be making a sale.
Right.
This is why you need to have more than enough, ample enough leads to have to talk to. because you can't just rely on that one opt-in, right? Who the hell relies on one opt-in? Nobody. That's why you have to generate as many leads and subscribers on a daily, consistent basis, right? So back to Sarah, you want to use ChatGPT. How can you use it effectively? You need to understand basic inputs, okay? This means going to ChatGPT and communicating with ChatGPT as if it's your personal assistant and saying, hey, ChatGPT, I'd like you to create for me a Facebook post. ChatGPT is going to spit out all kinds of stuff. If you're not specific on your input with ChatGPT, it is not going to produce quality type content. I'm telling you, I've been using ChatGPT for so long now that I literally am a master at it. And I know how to communicate with it. Matter of fact, I even tell it, hey, ChatGPT, good morning. How are you? Let's get to work. What are we going to do today? And this thing is just like responding back to me. So it's crazy. Okay. But it works. So Sarah, you want to have fun with engaged posts? Tell ChatGPT you want to have fun with engaged posts. Say, ChatGPT, can you write me a Facebook post? Hey, can you make sure you add some emojis to it? Oh, also, can you make it fun? And can you make it sound like me? ChatGPT is going to say, well, how can I make it sound like you? You haven't told me yet what kind of personality or writer's tone you are, right? So you got to be specific on this stuff. And we have that training, don't we, Rich? We have that training in our program where they have the crash course on ChatGPT.
Yes.